Adhering to industry-specific standards is crucial for maintaining safety, protecting sensitive equipment, and ensuring quality control in industries where electrostatic discharge (ESD) poses a significant risk. Compliance with ESD standards. Many industries must comply with standards such as ANSI, ESD S20.20 and IEC 61345-1, which outline measures for controlling electrostatic discharge in work environments. ESD flooring tiles are designed with conductive or dissipative properties to safely channel static charges away, ensuring your facility meets the specific resistance thresholds outlined by these standards. Protection of sensitive equipment. ESD-control PVC flooring tiles provide a controlled environment that reduces the risk of ESD damage, ensuring compliance with stringent industry requirements for quality assurance and product reliability. Enhanced safety measures. Many industry-specific standards emphasize worker safety, including measures to eliminate static shock risks. ESD vinyl flooring tiles contribute to a safer work environment by preventing static buildup and protecting employees from unexpected shocks that could cause injury or disrupt operations. Support for cleanroom standards. In cleanroom environments, contamination control is critical. ESD tiles not only manage static but also provide smooth, easy-to-clean surfaces that comply with cleanliness standards set by organizations like ISO 14644. This makes them essential for industries such as pharmaceuticals and semiconductor manufacturing.